Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, sir, this is Robert from the Verification Department of Medicare. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also fine, sir. Thanks for asking. This is a verification call for you. Please verify me. Have you received a new Medicare card or still using your old card?
I'm still using the old card.
Okay, it is blue, white, and red Part A and Part B card.
Yes.
Sir, your old Medicare card is gonna be terminated in your working days. That's why we are calling you to provide a new card by upcoming Monday through via mail. And sir, one more thing. Shipping for the new Medicare card, you are still living in Michigan. That's correct, sir?
Yes.
I got it. So, sir, I have your all information. I just confirmed by your side because we are on a recorded phone call. So right now, I can fill up your form for a new Medicare card. Is this possible for you? Can you grab your blue, white, and red Medicare health insurance card in your handy?
Well, the card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 79 years old, so I'm going up the stairs.
Okay, sir. Is this possible?
Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs. Hello? Hello?
Hi, my name is David. I'm a healthcare specialist from Health One. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great.
And how can I help you? So you mentioned you're from healthcare. Is this about Medicare or a final expense plan? So how can I help you? So I hear your call center in the background. How can I help you? Do you have a special deal? I really like special deals. Do you have a special deal?
Hi, my name is Amy, and I'm calling you from U.S. Debt Relief Agency. How are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Perfect. The reason for my call is to let you know that my company specializes in providing no cost, no obligation, competitive quotes that help reduce your debt and get you out of debt sooner. So do you have more than $10,000 in unsecured debt and more than one credit card?
Yes.
Have you filed for any kind of bankruptcy in the last 6 months?
No.
Are you currently employed, self-employed, or retired?
Yes.
Great. So you might hear some click, beep, some dead air, or some music. But don't you think I hung up on you. I'll be right back.
Okay. I think she's going to connect me with some agent.
Is it a licensed secret agent?
Hello?
Hello, hi. This is Regina with the Verification Department. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Robert Grinnell.
Hi, Robert. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. So I am a supervisor in duty, and I will quickly verify the information that my associate took from you to make sure that we're not making any clerical mistakes. I may sound repetitive, but I do apologize for that in advance, okay?
Okay.
So I understand that you have more than $10,000 worth of unsecured debts. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And do you have $10,000 worth of credit card debt?
Yes.
Okay, are you currently employed, self-employed, or retired?
I retired over 10 years ago.
Okay. Have you filed for any kind of bankruptcy in the past?
No.
Okay, great. So that was pretty much all the information I need. I will forward your details now, and the next department will call you back, okay? Have a
Oh.
nice day.
Okay.